Welcome students in programming classes of Python. Today I will teach you how to find out identity of a variable. So let's begin. Just open IDLE editor. How will you open? Go to the search. See, I have already installed and you can easily open it. Just it will take a few seconds. See, you have to open IDLE Python 3.9 64-bit. Just click upon it and be ready to learn how to find out identity of a variable. See, num1 is equal to 20. Okay, now you have to print ID of num1. Press the enter key. See, what is the identity of the num1? 206609903912. This is the identity of num1. Okay, now I declare another variable num2 and I assign the value 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10. Indirectly I am assigning 20 in num2. Let's print. Let's find out the ID of num2. Here you have to write the object name. What is the name of object? num2. Very good. And semicolon. Enter. What do you see? 206609903112. Both are same. It means the identity of 20 is same in both the cases. So what did you learn in today's class? You learned that identity of an object is same and identity of the object shows the location in the memory, and in any object have the same identity. Okay, so students, you need to subscribe this channel for getting the notification of my upcoming online classes of Python. Share this video with your friends so that he can also learn Python programming in a very easy way, theoretically and practically. If you have missed my previous videos, visit the channel and watch each and every video so that you can learn Python programming each and every topic. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and visit my websites for regular updates and blogs. Thank you.